The little mango trees for summer.
In a sunny village lived a little mango tree named Mino, facing his very first summer. Mino felt worried by the intense heat and asked the wise banyan tree for some advice. The banyan tree smiled. The sun shines bright so you can grow strong and give sweet fruit. Mino felt proud and declared, I want to grow the sweetest mangoes ever for everyone to enjoy. As the days grew hotter, Mino felt tired and thirsty under the relentless golden summer sun. Just then, a kind girl named Aisha arrived, carrying a bucket of cool, refreshing water for him. She gently poured water near his roots, whispering, Don't worry, little tree, I will take care of you. Feeling fresh and happy, Mino soon saw tiny green mangoes sprouting across his sturdy, growing branches. By summer's end, he was full of golden fruit, and children played happily under his cool shade. Aisha took a bite of a ripe mango and smiled. This is the sweetest mango ever, Mino whispered to the sun. Thank you for the summer. It helped me grow into something wonderful. From that day on, Mino loved summer for the joy and growth it brought to his life.
Subscribe for more videos.